up
กระโดดตัวนี้มันเคหมดจับแล้วก็ฉีกอย่างนี้มันโอเคครับสำหรับDid be already now
Reading is fundamental and Cuba want you to know that reading allows your kids
Come on, up.
Is the best way to prepare them for success in school.
Walk. Come on.
RIS.org for free stories and fun activities to experience with your kids.
Good girl. Good girl. Up.
After the end.
เหนื่อยแล้ว Next time. Come on.
Visit RIS.org.
Now we're back to Crazy Quackery and City Duck here on Cubo.
ไม่ใช่ลูกทำแม่เหรอรักแม่ยังรักแม่ก่อน